Hello, I'm Kyle Jorgensen. This is our H-Fab series H-frame hydraulic presses. These machines run from 33 tons to 660 tons, our largest on this series. All of these presses are, hydraulic, so AC motor hydraulic with fine adjustment hand. Also, all of our H-Fab presses have a rolling head feature. I'll show you that in just a second. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to lift our bed. That's what you can see, these chains. That's what we use these chains for, so we can adjust our bed height. So I just pull my pins. There's a cotter key that I've already pulled out that sits on the inside, but again, it's not in there right now. If I just raise the height of the press, it'll raise the height of my bed, or I can let the bed down depending on what I'm doing. Set it back down. I'm going to disconnect the chains here real quick. Now, we've got a bolt lock in our head. I'm just going to take this bolt out. Down the different applications to get in, where you need the press. A rolling head, movable head, standard on all the presses. Now machines that are 300 ton or even 200 ton plus, we add a hydraulic movable head feature where we can power that. We can actually add a readout and that kind of thing depending on your application. Now I've got induction hardened ram nose I've got replaceable system here. You can build tools, we can build you tools for forging, pressing. I mean, there's just all kinds of stuff we've seen people do. A nice machine. Also, all of our presses, they've got a lot of stroke. Like this particular press, this 130's got a 16-inch stroke. So a lot of capability. Yeah, we're proud of them, and we'd love to put one in your shop.